Guys, there we have the Alcatel Tab 3T10, and today I will show you how you can receive and send fax messages on this device. So we have to start from downloading a fax app from the Google Store. Here you will find a lot of various apps for it, but I choose that one. So we have to open it now and add permissions. Now if you want to choose the file that you want to send, click here and choose the source of it. You can choose the image from the gallery, PDF from downloaded files, or just take a photo. I will take a photo now. As you can see, now we can add a shape of your document, and if you are ready, click here. Now choose the filter for your document, and if you want any text or signature, you can do it here. Okay. If you want to add more documents, click here and choose it again, but if you want to send only this one, just type the number, and optionally you can leave a small note here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.